didn't know, it's Hunter's Vending. Yeah, that's the vending show. And we gonna jump right into action, man. I'm gonna copy this, man. If I can find somebody to do it.
Yeah.
It's dope, man.
I'm done in I'll be done in like 15 minutes.
Get this set up, y'all. That's what I'm gonna get right here.
You will? I gotta hurry up, man.
All right, appreciate the time, man.
All right, yeah, take care.
All right. All right, so what we're going to be doing for my 2 to 3 locations today is writing down everything so I know exactly what's in each row, so I know what's selling and what's not selling. I'm gonna be inputting it in my system. Check that out, that don't look good. The coil spun up. So let's get to the clip. Oh yeah. Right here we got my new request or issues, and then our request new products right here with the vending machine that you had. For instance, we got one right here. He lost some barbecue chips somehow. I think my drop sensor isn't working. And then right here, machine stole my Starburst. Simply walking in and, you know, talking to the manager. And he told me that this guy abandoned his machine here. Check this out. That's one machine that was abandoned. And then there was a Vendo 721 here. Like, no, you guys. I got both of them. This one right here does not work. Check this out. Look at this. What's going on here? Free machine. You know, that's a blessing, man. Desk, all right? All right, so we headed out to the next location. All right. So there's a location right next to my warehouse location that I'm headed to right now. And I've been talking to them for, I want to say for a good 3 to 4 months, guys, probably even longer than that. And they haven't told me no, that I couldn't put vending machines there. They gave me a specific time to come in and talk to the lady that's in charge of approving, and she's just been dodging me on the phone calls. So I'm about to pop up on her. Pop up game strong. Popping up, y'all. So I'm gonna let you guys listen in on this conversation, and it's gonna be another location, y'all. Hello, hello. Looking to speak to Teresa? Hello, Teresa. It's been some time. I had spoke with you about the vending machines, and just coming to do a follow-up, update on if you guys are still interested in the vending machine. It's free. It's for a good cause. It's as simple as setting up a date when you're available for me to drop off. All I need is to go, and it doesn't cost you guys anything. It's pretty simple.
Right now, we're not doing it, location and stuff like that.
Okay.
So it has to be kind of figured out where we put it.
It's a combo machine. It's really small. I mean, it's quite a big place. I'm sorry, I don't want to pressure you or anything like that. I want it to be smooth, but you know, just being patient and just, you know, waiting on, you know, you to have some time for us to, you know, discuss it. Is now not a good time, or?
Yeah, it's no, not right.
It's not? Okay. Is there anybody that I could talk to that would be able to sit down with me? And because I think it'll be really good for your company. I know that people here would enjoy it. And like I said, it'd be like I'm invisible. I just come in and drop it off. It'll be ready to go. I'll be in and out within literally.
I'll ask and find out if they want somebody else to talk with you.
Okay.
Find out.
All right. I really appreciate you. Would it be a good time to like maybe follow up with you in a week, or, you know, I know I've been calling you. I don't mean to bother or anything, but just wondering if you have any time later on, maybe if I'm not able to get a hold of anybody. Maybe you could mark me down in a week?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for being patient with me. You have a blessed day. You got to stay on them. So, you know, she's going to give me an answer, y'all. I'm consistent. So I'll be up in here talking to some other people or somebody that could give me an approval, you know. So until we meet again, stay tuned on this location here, y'all. I'm going to get this. Some people don't want to see you be successful. Some people got some stuff going on within, and they just can't, you know, stand to let somebody else win. So don't let it get you down. I'm not gonna let it get me down, man. There's many more locations out there for me to get. Check out the snack machine.
Already call you.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
You good? I said you ain't wanted or anything, is you? I'm messing with you, bro.
Nah.
But anyways, my man about to tell me I'm slacking on the vending machine, y'all.
Man.
Look, he about to tell me I'm slacking. I need to get my light up in there.
Man, you need to get a light and you need to fill it up, because they've been tripping.
They been tripping?
Yeah, they come on, man, you need to go fill it up, because I need to get some chips and all this and that. I said, there goes some Cheetos up in there.
Remind me to put a $5 bill balance. Boy, this is what I use for my car now at this location here. So what I'm gonna do here is, cause this boy car note coming up, I'm gonna throw that in there. Let it smooth up.
Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. You know, y'all be on the lookout for the next video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, man. Y'all know what to do with it, man. Show your boy some love, man. But get up out my crib, man. Get.